When we solve an equation in which the variable appears more than once, either on the same side or on opposite sides, something strange can happen. Suppose that we have the following equation. 2 times x plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. We start by simplifying both sides. So we now have 2x plus 2 equals 2x plus 1. And now we want to eliminate the variable term on one side. Let's say I decide to get rid of the variable term on the right. We'll add negative 2x on both sides. And what does that give us? On the left, we have a 0x plus 2. And on the right, we also have a 0x plus 1. Our equation has become 2 equals 1. What's strange? This contains no variable. This is something that happens occasionally in solving an equation. Sometimes as we solve an equation, we'll eliminate the variable entirely. Now keep in mind, this isn't something that we set out to do. It's something that may happen by accident, either while we're simplifying or when we eliminate the variable on one side. When this happens, there are two possibilities. Either the resulting equation with no variables is true, or it's false. In our example above, we started with 2 times x plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. And we got 2 equals 1. 2 equals 1, of course, is false, no matter what. The solution is the number that makes the equation true. We say that this has no solution. It's equivalent to the original equation. We say that this has no solution as well. When this happens, we write the words no solution. Or if we're a little bit lazy, we just say no SLN, solution. SLN is short for solution. The other possible thing that can happen, I hope you can see that if we add negative x to both sides of this equation, we would just get 6 equals 6. This is true, no matter what. Any number I put in here for x is going to make the equation true. Every number is a solution in this case. If we eliminate the variable terms, and the resulting equation is true no matter what we typically write is all numbers are solutions, or for short, all numbers are solutions, using the number sign for number and the abbreviation for solution. It would also be okay to write every number as a solution. That's just not what we usually write. So when we eliminate the variable, when we end up with an equation that contains no variables, then we're in one of these situations. Either there's no solution, or every number is a solution, depending entirely on whether or not the equation is true.